In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use heavy-duty felt pads on the underside of your table and chair legs, which will help prevent a wooden floor from being scratched. So you can buy these heavy-duty felt pads from any kind of DIY store or even supermarkets, as well as online. They cost around £2 for a pack, and in a pack you get all these different sizes. So you get these slabs, you get these circles, you get these strips. I think you even get some squares. So I have used this pack before, as you can probably see. So I'm going to cut these to size and actually place them on the bottom of the chair legs. You can probably see there's some already applied. So I'm going to scrape these old ones off. These have been on here probably at least 4, if not 5 years. So they do last a very long time. And like I said, they will help prevent a wooden floor from being scratched. So I'm just going to cut these to size and reapply them, and I should be good to go. Okay, I've now cut a square roughly the same size as the base of the chair leg. So all you need is a good pair of scissors and cut it roughly the same size or slightly smaller than the base of the leg. As you can see, this fits on nicely. And of course, no glue is required, as you just peel off the sticky back, just peel off the paper and stick it straight onto the chair leg. So I did have to peel off the existing ones, as you can see. So try and get as much of this off if you are reapplying them, or if you are applying them for the first time, just try and make sure the base of the leg is as clean as possible, as this will help the pads stick. So the next step is to cut 3 more of these and stick them on the base of the legs. Okay, I've now cut all 4 pieces of felt pad to size and attached them to the base of the legs of this chair. As you can see, they fit on really nice, so I cut them slightly smaller than the base itself. So you might notice they are quite thick in size, but they will compress down as you sit on the chair, and they will probably compress down to roughly half the size. So don't worry about that. And again, no glue is required, just a pair of scissors to cut the felt pad to size. So let's have a look what it looks like. Let's pick up this chair. So as you can see, you can't see the felt pads at all unless you really look really hard. And like I said, these will compress down over the coming days and weeks as you use the chair. So you can see I can slide the chair around, and there's no chance whatsoever of the wooden floor being scratched, or the laminate floor. So like I say, when you do sit on the chair, the pads will compress slightly, but you can't even really see them at all now unless you look really hard. So really, it's as simple as that. So just remember, you can buy these things from any DIY store or any supermarket for just a couple of £. That's it. Thanks for watching.